So this week is about to be brutal. Here's 4 events you don't want to miss, and each one could create more volatility than the last, starting of course with the conflict in the Middle East. Iran is saying it won't attack its neighbors anymore, but the strike continues to intensify and oil is still above $90, so the market is pricing for no resolution anytime soon. If the Strait of Hormuz is closed permanently, the oil market could go even higher. On the flip side, if we have de-escalation, the price goes down near $70. Then we have 2 interesting reports this week that will tell us where inflation is going. On Wednesday the 11th at 8:30, we will get the Consumer Price Index. Both headline and core are forecasted to stay flat at respectively 2.4 and 2.5%. And for those who prefer the personal consumer expenditure like the Fed, this will be on Friday 13th also at 8:30. Headline PCE is expected to stay at 2.9%, but the core is forecasted to go up from 3 to 3.1%. For reminder, CPI and PCE track slightly different baskets of goods, but the Fed prefers PCE because it gives a broader view of consumer spending. Then we have 7 companies reporting their earnings this week. Not much on Monday, but Tuesday we have Oracle and Neo. On Wednesday we have UiPath, and on Thursday we have Adobe, SentinelOne, Dollar General, and Ulta Beauty. And if you want to get this calendar in your mail every week, simply create an account on Quarter Chart. Finally, on Friday at 8:30, we will get the first GDP revision for Q4. It's forecasted to go from 1.4 to 1.5% after revision, and we'll break this down and more during the week. So if you don't want to miss anything, tap the follow button.